Hi guys, and welcome to this channel.
I'm Kenneth.
I'm Stefan, and we are Danish Motorcycle Parts. And if you are already on YouTube, then maybe you have seen our Danish channel, which is going to be basically the same for this one. But all this is going to be in English, so bear with us.
So now we try.
Yes, bear with us. If we sound like fucking idiots, it's because we're from Denmark.
It might be better in the next videos. No one knows. I'm Kenneth. I'm 38 and
Close to 40.
yeah, a little bit. Been riding motorcycles my whole life, and right now only Harley.
I'm Stefan, and I've been riding bikes since I was 18, which is the legal age in Denmark. So maybe a little bit before 18, but something like that.
Something like that.
I'm 33, and this is our passion: the bikes, the parts, the building of it, and riding. A lot of riding. So this company is now 5 years old.
Yeah, started out doing our own parts.
Yeah.
Pretty much only doing our own parts.
Basically, we started with the license plate frame. This one is the third generation, and this one is even upside down, so it's a very confusing one. But we do a lot of these license plate holders, and we do them in three versions. We do the license plate frames in three versions. One where no lights are included, but also with the slide-in function.
Yeah.
Perfect for a lowrider S, something like that. And then we do one with only license plate light, and then we do one with all lights included. And basically 5 years ago, we had the idea of doing this for a Danish size plate, which didn't exist. Originally, we made 3 pieces, mounted one on each of our bikes at the time.
Yeah.
And one in the backpack, and then we toured the country and tried to sell them to dealers.
Went to all of the Harley dealers in Denmark.
Yeah.
So had a great time. It was well received, and we started.
We had
on
great
Monday.
success.
Great success! Started on Monday
Yeah.
with the production.
Production. And now we also do covers for the, you know. But now we also do the covers for the engines, like the point cover, the derby cover for twin cam and M8. We also do fork covers. We do license plate brackets, and a lot of other stuff is coming. So
Yeah.
the whole parts thing that has been growing, and on the Danish channel there's already some videos about parts being made, being mounted, and we're also going to do this on this channel.
Yeah, of course. What makes us different is all our parts is produced here in Denmark.
Yeah.
Nothing is out of country. All of our own parts we design, and we have them produced right here.
Yeah.
Almost right here.
Within 30 kilometers.
Yeah.
So very.
So it's
nearby.
made in Denmark.
Yeah. Not just designed and made.
Yes,
in Denmark.
exactly. We paint it ourselves.
Yep.
We do all the finishing touches ourselves.
Yep.
On all our products.
And then we do business with a lot of cool guys in the industry. And we have some of the parts where some of the brands rather, where we are distributing for Europe, Scandinavia, Denmark, depending on the deal.
Yeah.
We have like the Black 3 parts you've seen from Samsung and so on. Very cool parts. We do them in Europe. We also have the QPC, which is unbelievably cool, especially when it's anodized or painted.
Custom painted on the road glide here.
This road glide we built in 4 episodes and showcased in Verona at the Motorbike Expo 2025. Very cool project. We did 4 videos, which is on the Danish channel. You can also watch them on the Danish channel. You just need to go for some translation maybe, because det danske sprog er anderledes.
The bike here is completely packed in Lord's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Lord's Performance from Lithuania. And yeah,
Like a racing guys.
Yeah, they're actually doing Bagger Racing League right now.
Yeah. So we are the only distributor for Lord's Carbon in Europe, as far as I know.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of the parts in the showroom, and of course on this incredible bike. So this bike we also custom painted the carbon fiber, and we did a lot of cool things with this. That is 2 of the brands, no 3 rather, of the brands that we have special deals with. We also have the Bamco.
Yeah.
Bamco Motorsports from the States.
This bike again is covered in gold bolts. Everything Bamco offers, we have it.
Yeah.
So everything is on the webshop. We get deliveries all the time from the States and wherever our, what's it called? Vores leverandør.
Suppliers.
Suppliers.
Leverandør. Supplier. There's one final brand which is very close to our shop. Some guys that we really like to collaborate with.
Yeah.
And they do some very cool exhausts. The Margaritas, Swiss designed, made in Italy. Very good quality. Homologated, E-marked, approved. For touring, for Softail, for Dyna. Even the FXR.
Even the FXR. And they're constantly developing.
Yeah.
This is our go-to exhaust here.
Very cool, lightweight, 2-in-1, approved. Comes in different variations of color. It's a very, very cool product.
Yeah.
And we're proud to distribute to whole Scandinavia of this exhaust system.
Exhaust system
is because it's very delicate. Okay, Kenneth, please tell them, why did we choose to go with the English channel also? Because we have a very good Danish channel and it's much easier to do.
Yeah.
So why the fuck would we do this?
Because easy is not our way.
No.
Because we like to ride. This weekend I'm riding to Thunderbike in Germany. I'm going down to the guys who are planning the club style bash. This is going to be the next video about the club style bash in Germany. Because we sell in all of Europe.
We sell in all of Europe. We have a webshop.
Our license plate frame is for 5-6 countries now.
Yeah.
So English was the next step.
It has really always been the plan, but we need to get the right guys like Lauge, who is making the videos. Sometimes if we are, fucking Lauge, that's why, because he's the guy cutting this. But now we have the right setup and we're just ready to go to the English version also. And we hope we can show you some of the cool things that we do in the shop, both from the road trips, but also install videos.
Install videos, custom paint. We do the custom paint in-house.
And
Pretty
also,
much everything.
We made videos about the new 2025 models on the Danish channel this year. Also, we want to do more like this. Like this one was for the Lowrider ST and the Pan America ST. Some cool new news that we can give our take on.
Yeah, when we go out in Europe, maybe outside of Europe, we can do some cool stuff with maybe some of you guys.
Yeah, and also we're lucky. Also, yeah.
What?
What? Also, we are lucky that we have a bunch of very good clients, like the guy who owns this bike, who would just go crazy with cool parts, where we can, let's say like this, we can point it in the direction that we know is going to be cool. And luckily, this guy was like, just do whatever you think is cool, and I'm probably going to like it.
We had a few bikes each. What is your current bike?
Current bike is a road glide, because everyone wants a road glide. This one, if we go through it like really fast, I had this bike for 2 years now. It's way too long. I want to sell it, build something new, but still, I really like it. Lepera seat, ILNS setup, the Bitubo suspension front and rear, ILNS parts, carbon fiber, everything. Our own line of point and derby covers, Kayakin floorboards, Jekyll and Hyde exhausts. The bike runs very well. It's a twin cam. It's a 2015 road glide, special originally. Then it's custom painted by Kenneth. And of course I added the fuck your little street bub. And I mean it with a passion. Well, the bike, to be honest, I really like it, but I want to build a new one. Basically just because it's fun building the bikes and putting it together. So I'm ready for the next one. Let's see your bike, Kenneth. It's probably a street bub.
As I said before, I'm leaving today to Germany, and I'm a little behind. But let's go see my bike. So it's a 2021 street bub.
Yeah, it's a street bub.
Yeah, it's a street bub. Pretty much custom built. It's packed with our own parts, fork covers. This is our M8 chopper gas tank, Galfer brakes, 200mm rear tire, stage 2 with the cam, Andrews cam, custom built handlebar, a lot of stuff. Basically, I got the same problem as him. I had it for a couple of years now. I want to sell it or rebuild it. So I'm planning on rebuilding it now. Instead of just the chopper look on it, we're gonna do performance chopper.
And where we are now is in the workshop. We
Yeah.
were in the showroom before. We moved to the workshop. There's only one bike right now, which is kind of relief because it has been super busy, but we're close to summer holiday now, so we're more or less through the pack
Yeah.
of bikes. So, but this is normally where the magic happens, where we develop and build bikes. Further down is the paint booth and everything, but that we're gonna keep a secret for now.
Yeah.
So again, the next video will be about the Club Style Bash in Germany and a little bit about what is going to happen in that weekend and why you should definitely go.
If you like performance and club style builds
And beer.
and beer, maybe big titties.
Big titties!
They're gonna have stunt riding, live music. It's gonna be big.
One hell of a weekend.
Yeah.
And nothing like it in Europe as far as I know. So very cool event. That's gonna be the next video, and then basically go to the Danish channel if you want to see what this is gonna be about, because basically it's gonna be the same, but in
gonna be
English. Very similar.
Builds, parts, reviews of bikes, and
Road
just
trips.
road trips. Yeah.
Fun.
Fun.
So go to danishmotorcycleparts.com if you want parts. Otherwise, click the follow button, the bell, or what the fuck it's called. I don't know how to do any YouTube shit, but we like bikes. So if you like bikes, do all that shit. Share it with your friends, and we hope to see you next video.
See you.
See you.